guys, welcome to Sam's Beautiful Strands. Hope you guys are doing great. It's so happy to be here with you all, and all the new subscribers, welcome, and all my subscribers from before, thanks for joining me again. It's one big happy family up in here, and we're gonna have so much fun. And I'm going to do a rig, why I'm always calling it a rig review, a wig review.
Are you stupid or something?
And I'm excited about it because it's not really bright, but it's holiday fun, and it's green. Yay, the color of the day. So I'm gonna do a couple green looks with this wig, showing you. Oh, I'm taking it out of the pack. Acting like, yeah, really. Okay, it's Outre, and it's Lacefront Wig, and oh, it's from the Kelia collection, 32-inch DRD green, and it's eat safe up to 400 degrees. This is what it looks like in the package, and I am going to take it out of the package. I was expecting it to be brighter outside. You know, I haven't been outside for a minute. As if you guys, my old subscribers, know that I've been out. You know, I've been coming outside for the beginning because it was spring, so it was cool. It was cool, and then after it got hot, I had to go inside. So I'm back outside, and I'm back on a day where it's cloudy, and inside just feel extra dark, and I'm outside and it's extra. I'm like, darkness is following me, Lord. Like, what's going on? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you better shine some light up in here, you know? I need to get some some new camera that I can get the best quality possible, but you know, until then, we're winging it, all right? Just bear with me a little bit while longer. You know, I'm saving up for it, you know, so it will be shortly, hopefully by the end of the year.
Okay.
Keep my fingers crossed. Yes, so I'm taking it out of the package, as I said. I'm holding on to it. Okay. And put it right here and take it off. Order this. So I'm going to give it like a sophisticated, chicy look. Take off these tags. All right. Again, this is what it looks like. Kelia. Okay, and this is what it looks like inside. This is the lace, beautiful. It's already baby hair plucked, and this is already. I'm like a blank right now. This is already tinted, and inside, so it looks like two teeth at the top and one at the bottom, and flexible straps, and breathable interior. But this is what it looks like. It's gorgeous. And look at it. This is going to be an easy try on review. It's beautiful. Look at it. As I said, even though it's green, it's not bright. It's just you're gonna be my best friend. I feel it. I feel the connection.
Stop it. Get some help.
You know? Okay, so I'm going to fast forward the video a little bit. I'm gonna cut off the wig and come back with the finished look, okay?
Okay.
gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground, gravity pulls you straight down. Clear sky.
Okay, you guys, this is the finished look.
Damn!
Not too shabby. And you know me, I don't like doing the same old looks over and over, you know? This is it's different. Tell me about it. It's different. Like, beautiful, different. I prefer to think of it as that. What do you guys think? Come on.
Nice.
Beautiful. Ooh. This look is one of my faves. I haven't said that for a while. I mean, I usually say that in my makeup videos, but I love this hair and I can't wait to do some more looks and show you. And this is the first look of maybe 2 or 3 more.
You serious?
Then I'm gonna show you. And yeah, I change up my look all the time, and obviously this look I'm leaving with this lips. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I think it complements it a lot. I wish I could put some glitter on it. Should I put glitter on it? No, let's leave it like that, Matt. This look is great. You guys, thank you so much. Now it's time for Psalms Bible Corner. And today's scriptures reading is taken from Psalms 37, verses 1 and 2. Do not fret because of evildoers, nor be envious of the workers of iniquity, for they shall soon be cut down like the grass and wither as the green herb. This is the word of the Lord. Thanks be to God. You guys, it's been fun. And if you love this video, if you love this hair, comment down below. Give me 2 thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your family, your auntie, your uncle, everybody. Okay?
Okay.
And Merry Christmas to you all. And I hope that you guys stay safe and God bless and stay in the scriptures and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Okay, lady, I love you. Bye-bye.